What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronnie Blaze, and we back with another video. And this video is a Universal Yums. It's kind of like an unboxing, but we're also going to be opening up one of the boxes to try as well. So we have the Universal Yums snack boxes, international snack boxes. Sorry, had a brain fart. International Yums, Universal Yums international snack boxes, and we got 6 different countries. We also have a box of incredible chocolates of the world, and it has chocolate in it from the UK, Germany, Korea, Greece, Italy, France. And then we also have, let me set that to the side. The boxes that we have are UK. That's the UK box. Then we also have the Germany box. Then there's the Italy box, and this box and the Germany box comes with 7 snacks total, and the rest of the boxes come with 6. So yeah, that's Korea. And it tells you on the side what snacks are inside of the box. I say Korea, I meant that's Italy. This is Korea. This is Korea. Again, tells you what snacks are, what snacks are inside of the box. We have Sweden, and then we also have the last one that we have in here is Greece. Now, let's see. I don't know which one I want to try first. I kind of want to try Korea because they got sweet and savory. Korea got sweet and savory. So, oh, I think Germany got sweet and savory too. So let's go. We're gonna start with the Korea box. And yeah, we have, what's inside? And these are full-size treats. I don't know how to pronounce this, but so y'all can see for yourself. We have a sweet, I'm guessing this is sweet and spicy snack. This one is, this is like a strawberry, no, this is a blueberry fruit chew, strawberry cookies, peach gummies, pretzels, and a choco pie. So let's see. Let's see. And since we got 6 different boxes, well, we really got 7 different boxes, so it's going to be like 6 or 7 different videos. Because why not? Plastic a little bit. That's what he said. Ooh, she said. Alright, let's get this open. And it comes with, it says 1 hour of fun, 1 to 6 people, ages 4 to 99. Fun pack guidebook and tasting scorecard inside. This is what it looked like without the plastic. You know, this is what it looked like without the plastic. Oh. It says, try 6 full-size specialties you can't get anywhere else but Korea. Rate the goodies on a hilarious set of criteria. Learn about Korea cuisine with a 12-page guidebook. Make at home recipes, trivia, and more. 12-page guidebook, make at home recipe. Bro. Okay, well, turn it the fuck down. Okay, so we got the box open. Sorry for that little background disruption. Got the box open. This is the guidebook. This is the, what it says? The guidebook, making home recipes. This is all of that in here. There's all of that in here. Got some little, okay. Ooh. Got some trivia in here. Let's see. Oh, and it also tells you the name of each snack in here as well. Honey butter flavored pretzels, hot and sweet. Okay, so that is hot and sweet, right? Hot and sweet wheat and rice snack. Okay. Ooh, recipe like they said. Hell yeah. Okay. And I got that on the back page. Cool, cool, cool. Then we have a little postcard or scorecard. That's what the front look like. This is the scorecard on the back. And I'm guessing every box comes with one. And then here we are. Yep. Here's the snacks. Yeah. There we go. Yes, sir. Yeah, this looks. Anyway, okay. So we got how many snacks in here? We got 6 snacks in here. So what should we start with? Let's start with these. Let's start with the sweet and spicy wheat and rice snacks. I should have some scissors in here so I can cut this shit open. Hold on, let me grab some scissors. All right, we got some scissors. And again, this is what the bag look like. You know. Okay. Let's see. Oh, these scissors suck. Okay. We got it open. That's what they look like. Okay, cheers, y'all. Be quiet. Ooh, that is, it's like, it tastes like spicy cereal. Like a spicy, if Frosted Flakes was spicy. Here, I hope it burn your mouth. I always want something. Kids always wanting something, bro. Okay. Yeah, it's more sweet than spicy. It's like sweet with a slight hint of spiciness. But yeah, it's good. Especially if you got the munchies. If you know, you know. But yeah, it's like a Frosted Flake with a kick of spiciness. It's good though. It's really good. Okay. The next one we have is the honey butter pretzels. Honey butter pretzels. And those, the more you eat, the spicier it get. That's the honey butter pretzels. That's really good. Those are really, really good. Okay. I didn't bring nothing to drink. Dang it. Dang it, dang it. It was cool. Ooh. This smells like frosting. It smells like a yellow cake. Y'all know what yellow cake smell like. That's what it smells like. Okay, they little. Hold on, cause they're really small. Y'all see that? They're really little. I see all that flavor on it though. Cheers, y'all. They taste like, They taste like something I had before. And I can't call exactly what it is, but it definitely tastes like a biscuit. And you take some butter and honey. Okay. Yeah. Let me put those down because I could eat the whole bag right now. And it's not that big of a bag as it is. Okay. So we got the choco pie. Let's do a choco pie. Black sugar milk tea. Ooh. Okay. Black sugar milk tea. These wrappers are a little thick. They a little thick. Okay. Oh. Girl, I hate when that happens. Yep. There we go. Okay. Ooh, it smells like, that smells like rum. I don't know, it must be the chocolate. That smells like rum. I think it's the chocolate. That's the bottom. That's the top. Okay, let's just bite it. It's real crumbly. It's like cakey. Like a donut almost. It's not bad. Yeah. It's not bad. Definitely tastes different from the choco pies that we have here in America. It's like this will be good with like coffee or tea. This will be good with a coffee or tea. I'm guessing that filling that's supposed to be in it is the milk tea, is the black sugar milk tea. But that's not bad. Probably wouldn't be like, I guess like I said, if I wanted like something quick to go with like I said, a hot coffee or a hot tea, that would be good for that. Here, come get this. Come get this.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now go sit down. Okay, now we got some Queen's Secret Recipe strawberry cookies. Let's try the gummies first. We got some peach gummies. Peach gummies. And this one got the tear pack, the tear mark. Easy open. I smell a peach coming out of it before I even get the bag all the way open. Ooh, I love peach too. Oh, it kind of looked like the Welch's. It's like the Welch's gummies with like the peach filling or peach juice, whatever you want to call it, in the middle. Mm-hmm. These are so good. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I'm not sharing these. Sorry, not sorry. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like these. Yeah. And then last but not least, those are, yeah, they taste just like the Welch's peach. Yeah, that's really good. I can legit eat all of these right now.
I was stuck because of the stupid character.
Okay. Okay. Korea. Is that no? Yeah, that was Korea. Okay, Korea. And last but not least, strawberry cookies. The packaging is pretty. It's so pretty. The box is bigger than the inside packaging. Oh wait, oh wait. Oh, they in 2 separate packs. Okay, I like that. Okay. So they come in little packs like this. It's so cute. Ooh. Let's see. Let's see. Yep, that's strawberry. That's the cookie. Yeah. And I'm thinking it says Sando on it. That's what it looked like. It says Sando. So let's see. It tastes like they took Ritz crackers, because it's more crackery than cookie. It's like they took 2 Ritz crackers and put the strawberry cream in the middle. This is another good one that's good for tea. Yeah. Yeah. It would have been nice for them to have drinks with it too. You know, wash everything down. But so far, so good. My favorite ones, I don't even know now. I'm gonna have to go with the pretzels, then the gummies, and then the cookies. And I actually like these better than the choco pie, to be honest. Oh wait, because I almost forgot. I know I was missing something. Blueberry soda chews. Ooh, we got some candy. We got some candy.
Drew, stop saying that.
We got candy. If I can get it open. Oh my gosh. Oh wait. Bro, why is this so hard to... Oh, because it came with a... Well, why would y'all put the sticker over the tear part that's for the opening? That don't even make sense. Okay. I don't want that one. Let's go to the next one. I got the thing on there for us to tear it open, and they put the sticker over it. So you can't... I don't like that I'm fighting to get into this pack. That's what I don't like. Alright, we got one open. Let's see. Blueberry soda chew. This is what the wrapper look like. That's what the wrapper looks like. Oop, well, drop that one. It's still in the wrapper. I'll put it up. Alright, let's see. It's blueberry candy, but it's pink in color. It's not blue in color. Let me see. It's nice and soft. It's a little tart. It reminds me of make your mouth water. The texture reminds me of either a mix between the Jolly Rancher chews and what's them candies called? Them damn chewy candy. I can't think of what they call it right now. High chew. High chew. It's kind of like a mix between the Jolly Rancher chew and the high chew. That's a little tart though, but it's really good. I'm gonna have to put that at number 1 because I love candy. And it's helping me with my cotton mouth. If you know, you know. Yeah. The blueberry chews, the pretzels, the peach gummies, the cookies, these little wheat rice snacks, and then the choco pie. Yeah. Hey, listen. Let me swallow that real quick. I'm excited for the rest of the boxes because we started off on a good note. That piece of candy just made my mouth water. But yeah, we starting off on a good note. Korea, 10 out of 10. Will buy again. If y'all haven't tried the international stack boxes and you want to try them, I say you do it. I don't got a code, unfortunately. You know, I'm new to this. I'm new to this, so I don't have, you know, codes and discounts for you guys yet. But yeah, universalyums.com, you know, they got, this was their bundle box. I'm not sure if every bundle box is going to be different, but these are the countries that they sent me. So yeah, I say try it out. Let me know what you think. If you tried them, let me know what you think. Let me know which ones you tried, which ones, you know, we should try. You never know. I don't think you know which one I don't think you ever know which one you want to get, to my knowledge. Or maybe, yeah, no, I take that back because they do tell you whatever the box is for the month, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, anyway, go check them out. Universal Yums. You can also try Snack Crate. There's a few different ones. It's like Universal Yum, Snack Crate. I think it's like Munchies Pack or Munch Pack or something like that. It's a few different ones. Try them out. Let me know what you think. And until next time, peace. Oh, wait. because make sure y'all leave a like. If you're not subbed to the channel already, go ahead and sub, share the video. And now, until next time, peace.